Not everyone needs a gas chipper. If you have a small to medium property, do not want to deal with fuel and engine maintenance, and prefer to work without engine noise filling your neighborhood, an electric wood chipper is the smarter choice. They are lighter, easier to store, and increasingly capable. Here are the top 5 best electric wood chippers of 2026. All links are in the description. Number 5. Westinghouse Corded Electric Wood Chipper Shredder 1.7 inch, $93. At $93, this is the most accessible electric chipper on the list. 15 amp motor, 1.7 inch cutting capacity, 12-gallon collection bag. Westinghouse builds this as a lightweight entry point for small yard cleanup. Leaves, twigs, and light branches. If you have a small urban or suburban property and occasional cleanup needs, this gets the job done without spending over $100. Number 4. Lawnmaster FD 150315 amp, $112. 15 amp motor, 1.8 inch cutting diameter, 14:1 reduction ratio, and a design optimized for consistent chip output. The Lawnmaster brand focuses specifically on lawn and garden equipment, so they understand what homeowners actually need from a chipper. Under $120 with genuine reliability from a brand that takes this category seriously. Number 3. Amerison 15 amp electric chipper shredder, $129, 4,200 RPM motor, 1.75 inch branch capacity, 50-liter collection bag, and a portable design with wheels for easy movement around your property. The 50-liter bag is one of the largest on this list, which means fewer stops to empty it during a long cleanup session. $129 for a feature set that punches above its price point. Subscribe for more honest electric chipper reviews every week. Number 2. ShopVac Electric Wood Chipper, 15 amp, $129. ShopVac is a brand homeowners have trusted for decades, and their 15 amp chipper delivers on that reputation. 1 3/4 inch cutting diameter, 45-liter collection bag, push paddle for safe branch feeding, double-sided blade that extends the life between replacements. The push paddle design is a genuine safety feature that cheaper machines skip entirely. At $129, this is the best built machine in its price tier. Number 1. Lawnmaster FD 150415 amp with collection bin, $149, 15 amp motor, 1.8 inch cutting diameter, 16:1 reduction ratio, highest on this list, and a collection bin instead of a bag, which makes emptying faster and cleaner. The FD 1504 is the most refined electric chipper in this price range. The 16:1 reduction means you get more usable mulch per branch, which is the whole point of owning one of these machines. Best overall electric wood chipper of 2026. Link is in the description below. Top 5 best electric wood chippers of 2026. All links are below. Subscribe and see you in the next one.